So, okay, hi guys, I'm back to back again, like what I have said. So, I'm gonna show you. This is a gift from my neighbor. I don't know that she knows my birthday, so she gives me this and 1 kilo tomato. Yeah, and this, Okay, alright. And this is a gift of my friend to me, you see. I will not show the back, this is how it looks like. And we were in the antique shop, and I have seen this. I wanna buy, and my friend has said, I buy it for you because your birthday is coming. So I think 5 days ago, this one. So I love it. This one. So thank you for the gift. And this is my gift to myself. Do you know the last video I had, I was in the forest. I was resting. I have bought this one in the same shop. Like that. Actually, they are together. This and this. I was choosing what to buy to the time. My friend has said this is better, but I like it more, this one. And so, but I'm shy, to what did you call it? To say I like both. Maybe they pay, and I'm a little bit shy because this costs 40 euro. So maybe my friend will pay 80 euro. So I think I bought it then the next day, like that. So my gift for myself. I always buy a gift for myself, When I'm in Philippines, I buy always gold for myself. And of course, here in Germany is more expensive. So I buy na lang something other. So thank you to me. I love it. I like figurine, but it has to be woman. I don't like man. Ugly. I like woman only. I like some of my figurine. It has woman with a child, with a man, but it must have woman. I don't like no woman. So thank you too. I like it. This is very nice and heavy, Good quality. I love it. So that's all. Thank you. And my face so beautiful. And bye-bye na pala. Bye-bye. See you next time.